I'm going to do the slow version first. So, mi, fa, sol, strum on G. La, sol, mi, strum. Fa, mi, re, strum, a D7. Fa, oops. Mi, re, do, strum. I'm going to do that again. Mi, fa, sol, la, sol, mi, fa, mi, re, D7, mi, re, do. There's a strum there. Okay, that's part A. Happens twice. This next part is low, just the normal sol, and then we're going to go up do and mi. Sol, do, mi, strum, a G, just keeping your finger there.
Okay.
Sol, do, mi, re, do, strum, a G while you keep your finger there.
Okay.
And then you do a C chord, and it's just a la, and then do, la, sol, and that's it.
Okay.
So, sol, do, mi, re, do, strum. Oh yeah, sorry, you do two strums. You go do, strum, do, strum. So,
Okay.
sol, do, mi, re, do, strum, la. While you're doing C, and you just go to C, you don't have to lead into it. It's just la with the strum on C, and then do, la, sol, strum, and then it goes just to the A part. Mi, fa, sol, strum, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And just as a warm-up exercise, what happens between the end of the song before it begins again is I'm just vamping on the G chord and going like low, do, strum, sol, low, sol, strum. Do, sol, okay?
And those are all the way through. It's just the tip of your finger.
Yeah. Sometimes if I'm on the third and fourth string, I'll use my thumb instead. I'll use my thumb to hit the string, but then I'll use this finger to do the strumming up and down.
Okay.
That's just easier. Doesn't hurt your finger as much.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put it together. AABA. So, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, mi, fa, mi, re, do. And when I put that in between, you know. Mi, fa, sol, la, sol, mi, fa, mi, re, do. So, and I don't put anything in between that time.